think this interview is the beginning of his journey. And it's nice that it starts from his own Ponda Taluka, Antrus Mahal. All of you know, it's much been said, a lot of it's being seen in the documentary, that Dr. Ramani is a multifaceted personality. All these years we have been talking about his hardships in life, how he overcame all those, how he went up to his goal, how he became a successful neurospinal surgeon, how excellent teacher he is, how he is a person and my personality who would like to give back whatever he has back to the society, which helped him a lot in times of need. Today, let me try to explore another facet of his, and that is his advice to the elderly. Advice about health, advice about diet, advice about the do's and the don'ts, advice about what is suitable for a particular age and what does not suit a particular age. So let me try to explore it in the given time, and time may be from 30 to 45 minutes any time. Sir, coming to the first question. You have already started your mission. You have started going from place to place, from town to town, to village. You are addressing children, you are addressing the youth, and you are addressing the elderly. As regards to what they should do, and why they should do, and how they should do. Now my question is, number one, how did you get this idea that you should address these three age groups and motivate them? Now exactly what do you do?
Basically, I was motivated by the poor medical facilities for the patients. Therefore, I became a doctor. And while being a doctor and practicing and seeing the patients, I realized that people are very ignorant. And that is where I started. I should teach young generation how to behave in life, have discipline, a good physical health, and maintain morals so that they can go ahead and feel educated and be better citizens. Later on, I also realized that the middle-aged people, they don't have direction. They don't have direction because they don't themselves have aim in life. They don't have passion. They are more linked to their parental assets. And they feel they will continue those assets, which is very wrong thinking to do in the modern world. In the modern world, they have to be very passionate, find out what good they are, and they have to go on persistently follow it, irrespective of the resistance given by the parents, society, or the neighbors. It is only when then you can excel in your field, Then the adults, they don't know. They have no direction as to how to maintain. And most of them have no concept of what is a good diet, what is a bad diet. They most of the time prefer, particularly in Goa, very deep fried food. And if I may say so, they are not very active in life. They don't like to get up in the morning. They don't like to do physical exercise. They would prefer resting more than doing exercise or doing good, useful work. I will give you one example of this, I have been holding marathons here, and I am supposed to, my marathon is the oldest marathon in Goa. I have been running all over the world. You go to places abroad. Amsterdam is my favorite place, Holland, to go for running the marathon. Then America is, of course, there. New York is there, Chicago is there. In these places, the crowd has to be really controlled by the police so that the runners can run very smoothly. That much enthusiasm among the people to come out and encourage the runners. You never know when you see such a crowd and they're encouraging you, you never know that you have come to the finish line. I tried my best. I hold the marathon in such a way that it passes through the villages, very small part through the city. I first thought they will come our villagers and at least give encouragement to the international runners which are passing, running in front of their house. They were not doing that. I did printed pamphlet and distributed in all the houses and told them to come out, encourage. No. At the most, somebody has got up in the morning, he's sitting in his room on the bed, and from the bed we'll see something happening, something running on the road outside, something like that. At the most, he will yawn loudly, and that is the end of the news. So I thought, if possible, I will try to give them education, how to behave in life. Because old age, now medicine has advanced, age is advancing. We are getting older and older. You don't want to lie in bed with diabetes, blood pressure, heart ailment, high cholesterol, which is very, very common in Goa. Then immediately come arthritis, depression, and constipation. You are bedridden there. People somehow accept this as, God sent disasters, cannot help it, No, it is not God sent. You have brought them, you have invited them. And that is exactly, I try to break the ice and convince them, these are not God sent, this you have invited. If you behave properly, decently in life, you will be surprised. Leave aside their mind, leave aside their body, but even their car did not service regularly. That was a bit shocking apathy, you call, of the nature of the people. I try to help them to see improve the nature of their attitude, which will help them. The whole idea is that when the medicine is going more years to live in this earth, live very happily. Go in the morning, get up in the morning, go to the garden, meet your friends, discuss something, whatever you enjoy, laugh very loudly, have a cup of tea, and then discuss what is going on here. Tomorrow somebody's birthday is there. You are coming, no? Whose birthday? He has invited you tomorrow. You forgot? I forgot, I think. Old age, memory is less like that, His birthday is tomorrow, his 102nd birthday, So go there in the evening, enjoy the birthday. That is how we should pass the life, in a very healthy, good health of the mind, and in a very spirited manner, That is what I'm trying to do them.
Actually, I'm not entitled to ask the next question because I do everything that he has told not to be done. I am I get up late, I have a nice nap in the afternoon, I eat and I like deep fried things. So next question is dumb. But still, I'll take a cue from his answer. Sir, there is always, you start forgetting things after a particular age. It starts with forgetting the names. And there is a nice name is dementia. It is said that if you eat badam, then that sharpens your memory. So everyone has started eating one badam per day. Does it really help? Should we go ahead with that?
It's not a mechanical thing that you eat badam and sit at home and you think their brain will become sharp. No. Answer is definitely no. Only the badam business will increase. Just like I told you, you have to exercise your body to keep it healthy. Very, very important to exercise your brain to keep it healthy. So as you grow older and older and older, try to increase your mental activity more and more and more, Once in a while when you go, very simple things, When you get up in the morning, go to the bathroom, let me see. Today I will brush the toothbrush with the left hand. Because normally we do the right hand, no? Try doing it like that. That will give stimulus to the brain. You see, because left side working like or something. Try to write with the left hand, Try to paint with the left hand, something like that. Then of course you get the morning paper which come. Try to solve the Sudoku puzzle which is coming there. It gives mental exercise. All these small activities they get. You try to learn piano, try to learn music, which are passion, but you have no opportunity to learn. You try to do that. After I cross 80, I also decided that I should have a mental exercise, more than anything else. What I should do. I'm now learning piano. I love music. It gives me pleasure while learning piano, but more than learning piano, you have to play piano with the two hands. The brain is constantly kept active, Although my brain was active, this was prevention measure by me not to get it degenerated.
Oh.
If you understand this meaning very clearly, you can do it with the Alzheimer's.
Oh.
Alzheimer's is basically proved to be a lifestyle disease. You see? You can do it with the Alzheimer's, loss of memory, dementia, all these things.
Sir, you spoke about exercise, right? You are a jogger. You are a trekker. You are a hiker. You do meditation. You go to gym and do exercise. Now, the common man's problem is, if you give him a menu, he selects the dish which he likes and which is comfortable. Out of all this, which will give the best benefit to a person? I would like to select that. I don't want to do everything that you do.
It all depends on your physical activity, how much active you are. As you grow old, you become more retired, you become more sedentary. You don't feel like doing anything. At least you do walking in the morning. Go on walking. And walking means not like our ladies do, No sooner she meets another lady coming from the opposite side, finished. You see? Then after 1 hour they have spent, 15 minutes will be gone there. After 10 feet they will find another lady there. Another 10 minutes gone there, like that. So that is not an exercise. Exercise means people have got wrong notion about exercise, They feel I will go. One lady was asked, what are you doing for exercise? What are you talking? He said, exercise? After 75, you have to go for a walk. Her concept, that is enough, Now, their concept of walk means just going out of the house. And just walking leisurely, looking into the shops, finding out what is selling on the market or bazaar, buy something from there. That is walk, like that. No. Walking means you have to walk very fast. You have to increase your distance between the two steps and go on. You mark out your distance. Start with half kilometer, then gradually increase the distance. As you go further, immediately you meet some friend, just say hand, don't stop, go ahead. That is walking. That is walking. If you do that, there is a good exercise, but that's good well-being. It's not good for the body. For a man like me, who is active, at this age, I still get up at 4:45, 4:30, any time in the morning, I wash up. First I do pranayams, then I do little meditation. Then I go for my jogging, which is a strenuous exercise. I used to go Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for jogging. And remaining 3 days, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, I used to go to the gymnasium where I was the trainer. One day upper body, one day lower body, and one day the middle part of the body. He used to train me. Walking, jogging, it just mobilizes the joints, but does not give strength to the muscle if you are doing hard work throughout the day. And to do the hard work, you have to go to the gym to strengthen your muscles. Then, doing meditation in all these aspects for life is very, very important. Because as the life passes, life is not peaceful, life is very stressful today. Did you realize that? Why it is stressful? There are too many attractions, too much hate among yourself. Your children don't want to listen to you properly. Your grandchildren, forget about them. And as you grow old, your children find it very difficult to keep in the house also. The reason for that being, it's not that they don't love you. They love you. But they themselves are too busy to look after you. They cannot look after you, so you feel neglected. Don't get the feeling of neglected. Be independent. Whatever resources you are. So our lifestyle is such that we have a tremendous expectation from our juniors, because they feel it is they who have brought them up. Children is a wrong concept. You have brought them up because it is your duty as parent to bring them up. Otherwise you are bad parents. But because you have brought them up, don't get the thoughts that they have to look after you. We today, very fortunately, are a very happy family. Me and my wife have no expectations whatsoever from our children. My son and his wife, they are independent somewhere. My daughter and her husband, they are independent somewhere. They do what they want to do. We don't interfere in their life. That is very important. Not to interfere in their life. Most of us interfere in their life. Wrong. And therefore, the more you don't interfere in their life, the more you get respect from them. When I'm talking here, all my children and grandchildren, they are sitting here in the front, listening. That is because they have respect for us. If they have no respect, they say, this is one of he's getting them every day awards. What is there to listen to the same thing again and again, like that? But no, they have respect. They pay respect. Because we respect them, therefore they respect us. And we respect them, as I told in my speech, without expectations. We have no expectation of any sort from them. If we follow these open concepts, life can be very happy. It is very important, life to be happy. I will give you one example, small. I had a patient from Sawantwadi. She was elderly, about 68-year-old lady. Come in a 9-yard sari, I remember her. Absolutely well-groomed, well-combed hair, tilak here, something, and up-to-date look like. Not like just, And just talking casually, she told me, no, I don't like food which is cooked in the afternoon. At night, I must have fresh and hot, freshly cooked food. How many people? No, I don't have people in the house. I'm alone. There is a philosophy behind it. She is living alone. And there are hundreds and thousands of people who are living alone, who cook one vegetable, something in the afternoon, something at night, Then make 4 chapatis instead of 2 in the afternoon, 2 at night. Finish like that, That means they are not eating the dinner at night. They are just passing the buck, passing the time at that time. Not correct. She has got correct attitude towards life. She has got will to live in her own manners, There is a lesson to be taken from such. You must eat, not because you have to eat, that time may come. You must look forward to eat. If you look forward to eat, then there is pleasure to eat. It is lunch, dinner, something like that. And that can happen provided you have decided your own life. If you depend on somebody else, whatever they cook, you have to eat.
Now, coming to the food. First, what is your diet? See, there are many misconceptions about your diet. Everyone has got own ideas to describe. Somebody says, Dr. Ramani doesn't eat so much, he eats only one toast. How can somebody live with one toast? So just tell what you eat.
Yeah, it's very important. But I'm an odd man out, See, my wife will vouch with me and tell me that I don't concentrate on food and I don't concentrate on my clothes and everything. She has to pick out this, you put this shirt today and take out this jacket you put today, no? Okay, I'll go. Otherwise I will put even unlaundry washed shirt and put it and go. Because my mind, my thoughts are on a different wavelength. So I am not foodie. Just like Tendulkar. Tendulkar is foodie. He agrees, he likes it. Whatever comes in the way, if I eat it, that's enough for me, something. Instead of rice, if it is bread, is enough for me. I not chapati, something like that. In the morning when I get up, I eat 2 teaspoonfuls of alsi. Because it helps your skin. So my skin is smooth or not? You agree, no? Because I eat alsi. And then I eat few badams because they help me in my daily activities. See, they're helping in the daily activities and just eating for something, getting good health is a different concept. Badams put before overnight in there. And then I drink 2, 3, 4 white eggs, not the yellow one. Yellow one I throw away.
Uncooked, huh?
Uncooked, straight. You have to drink, And then get about 100 and 150 ml of skimmed milk. And in that milk is fixed with a lot of seeds. Lot of seeds. Seeds are very... What is the advantage of eating seeds? We throw away the seeds, no? If you got kukunda dudi, there are a lot of seeds, no? We throw them away. It's a big business in Bombay. Cucumber, any seeds which is dried and given to you, we buy them for a lot of expensive money. So all these seeds are brought, 6, 7, 8 types of seeds. We mix them together and keep in the jar. And 3, 4 big teaspoonfuls of those seeds. They don't have fats, they don't have carbohydrate, they have some protein, they have minerals, and most importantly, the body is full of poisons. They got plenty of antioxidants. So that diet helps me to be energetic throughout the day. You don't require dikshit for that. You see? Yeah. That is my breakfast. That is it. Maybe a cup of tea with that. Anything surplus, my wife cooks, 1 or 2 teaspoons. Every day she tells me, sit properly, you are eating breakfast. Because I may be sitting here and there, look, keep that mobile away like that, she will tell me. Yeah. So then I don't take lunch. I never come home. I have not come home in the last 50 years for lunch also. If I feel hungry, I eat something, piece of sandwich or fruit. Fruit is very important. I eat fruit, that's all. Then in the afternoon also I don't feel hungry by the way. My main is I take dinner very late at night still. This is wrong to do. It does not have digestion. There I take little rice, fish in the curry, never eat anything that is fried. So that is my diet. Very difficult for the goans to accept it and follow it.
But still, I think it is worth following. If they want to live like you, with a young mind and a young body, then I think it is worth following. You said you are an odd man out, but I think an odd person can convert so many odds out, and then they become a rule and others become an exception, rather than the reverse.